In this video, I'm going to show you how to add quantity in Exness trading. Now to do this, you want to open the web trading terminal from Exness, then you want to go to the top right of your chart over here and click on this button to show this trade panel over here. Now from here you can see you can select the form. I'm going to go with regular form. You can pick if you want to sell or buy, and then of course do a market or pending order. And if you do a pending, of course you're going to have to put in the open limit price. If you do market, it's going to put the market price on here. And of course, the volume over here where it says volume, this is where you can add your quantity. So as you can see, it's in lots. You can go and click on the plus or minus buttons to actually modify this, or you could type it in manually. For example, I'm going to go 0.1 lots right now, and that's where you can actually add your quantity. Now you can then go and of course set a take profit and stop loss as well, but I'm just going to go and confirm it right now. And there we go. As you can see, volume lot or the quantity is down here 0.1. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.